Okay, so lockpicking obviously is no stranger to having a vise, and working on challenge locks even more so. So if you work on challenge locks, you're frequently, using some type of a rotary tool or maybe a drill with a chuck, so that you can basically spin your brass and make your pins. So what I wanted to just kind of share today, this is a Dremel Multi-Vise 2500. It runs about 40 bucks on Amazon. Not a bad price for what you can do with it. So right now it's in the vise mode, and it's pretty easy to utilize it, tighten it up where you need it, and it can even turn at another angle so you can do more with that. But what makes this a nice and very useful tool is that I can essentially take the vise part off, set it aside, turn this around, and then essentially insert this little accessory here, tighten it up. Then I can essentially take my Dremel. If you're using a Dremel, hopefully this vise really works with the Dremel, but I would imagine there's a lot of people that use the Dremel out there. This is a 4300. We'll tighten this up. Now, essentially, I can put my brass, I'll put a piece of brass in. I'm not going to do any grinding or filing on camera. That would just be noisy as all heck. Put your brass in, tighten it up. And now you're good to go. You can spin it up, work on your pins, do everything you want to do. But what you can also do, if you take this off, take this collet and collet nut off, put a smaller version of it on, then what you're able to do, we'll take this, whoops, take this off. Now we can take our Flexi-Shaft tool, this here, we'll attach, get the wire out, put that into the collet, loosen it up a little bit, then we'll tighten it up. Use our wrench. Attach this on there. Nice and tight. Now I can use this and I can work on cylinders, cores, do core modifications, do undercuts. I can do all kinds of things with this tool now, and I don't have to be holding on to the Dremel itself. I have my hands free to work with just this and the lock, or whatever it is, the piece of the lock I'm working on. Nice tool, thought I'd share it. Kind of a really handy little thing to have. Anyways, that's all I was going to share with you today on this. I probably will share a couple of other Dremel accessories that make working on locks a lot easier. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the content in this episode. If you are currently a subscriber, thank you. If you are not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications and all, and hit like on the video. And thank you for watching.